Are you looking for the perfect water dispenser that truly stands out when it comes to quality, durability, and real value for your money? With so many options available in the market, it's often confusing to figure out which one is actually worth buying. That's where this video comes in. Today, I'll walk you through the top 5 best water dispensers, covering their key features, performance, durability, and the real pros and cons you should know before making a purchase. After careful research and comparison, I've selected these products because they've proven to be reliable and helpful for people like you. If you want to check the latest price, detailed specifications, or explore exclusive deals, don't forget to visit the links I've added in the description box below. Those resources will save you time, money, and help you make the smartest buying decision. So, without any further delay, let's dive into the video. We're kicking things off with an excellent start, something that proves great performance doesn't always mean high price. At number 5, EUHOMY self-cleaning bottom-loading water cooler. Hot, warm, and cold with child safety lock. Sleek, smart, and surprisingly powerful. Perfect for anyone looking for real value and reliability. Experience convenience and safety in hydration with the EUHOMY self-cleaning bottom-loading water cooler, designed to provide hot, warm, and cold water at your fingertips. Its bottom-loading design makes replacing water bottles effortless, eliminating heavy lifting and awkward spills, while the self-cleaning function ensures your water stays fresh and safe for everyday use. This cooler is perfect for homes, offices, or shared spaces, offering quick access to refreshing cold water, soothing warm water, and hot water for beverages or cooking. Pros include its easy-to-use controls, sleek modern design, child safety lock on the hot water function, and quiet operation, making it safe for households with children. The bottom loading feature also keeps the cooler looking neat, hiding the water bottle for a cleaner appearance. On the other hand, the initial setup may take a few minutes to understand, and regular maintenance is needed to ensure the self-cleaning system works optimally. Its compact footprint fits comfortably in kitchens, break rooms, or small offices without taking up excessive space, and the energy-efficient design helps reduce electricity use while keeping water at your preferred temperature. Whether you need quick hydration during busy workdays, want easy access to hot water for tea or coffee, or simply appreciate a clean and modern water cooler for your home, this unit combines functionality, safety, and practicality in one reliable appliance. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. Stepping up the game, number 4 takes innovation to the next level. Coming in at number 4, we have Primo 5-gallon water dispenser, hot and cold top loading cooler with pet station, combining advanced design, solid build, and features that make your experience smoother than ever. Stay hydrated effortlessly with the Primo 5-gallon water dispenser, a top-loading cooler designed to deliver both hot and cold water for every need. Its convenient design makes replacing water bottles simple, while the separate hot and cold taps ensure you can enjoy a refreshing cold drink, a warm cup of tea, or water for cooking any time. The built-in pet station adds an extra layer of practicality, providing easy access for pets without needing a separate water bowl. Pros of this dispenser include its durable construction, user-friendly design, and the versatility of serving both humans and pets efficiently. It also has an attractive, modern appearance that fits well in kitchens, offices, or break rooms. On the downside, the top-loading design requires lifting heavy bottles, which may be difficult for some users, and regular cleaning is essential to maintain optimal performance and taste. The compact footprint makes it suitable for smaller spaces, while the reliable cooling and heating functions ensure water is ready whenever needed. Whether you are looking for a solution for home hydration, office convenience, or a dual-purpose station for your pets, this water dispenser combines functionality, ease of use, and consistent performance. Its sturdy build and simple operation make it ideal for families, pet owners, and busy professionals alike. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. Alright, things are getting really exciting now. Our number 3 pick is one that's loved by thousands worldwide. At number 3, Avalon Limited Edition Self-Cleaning Water Cooler. Hot, cold, and room temperature. It delivers premium performance, outstanding comfort, and a look that never goes out of style. Experience effortless hydration with the Avalon Limited Edition Self-Cleaning Water Cooler, designed to deliver hot, cold, and room temperature water for every need in your home or office. This innovative cooler features a self-cleaning function that helps maintain a fresh and safe water supply with minimal effort, making it ideal for busy households or workplaces. Its sleek design fits seamlessly into any environment, while the intuitive controls allow you to select the perfect temperature for drinking, cooking, or making beverages like tea and coffee. Pros of this cooler include the self-cleaning technology, versatile temperature options, and modern appearance that complements any space. It also provides reliable performance with easy-to-use dispensing, making it convenient for adults, children, and guests. On the downside, the limited edition model may come at a higher price point compared to standard coolers, and the unit requires regular maintenance for optimal efficiency despite the self-cleaning feature. The sturdy construction ensures durability, and the quiet operation keeps it unobtrusive in offices or kitchens. Whether you want a reliable source of chilled water for hot summer days, instant hot water for drinks, or room temperature water for daily hydration, this cooler offers a combination of convenience, safety, and style. It is suitable for families, professionals, and anyone seeking a high-quality hydration solution without the hassle of constant cleaning. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. We're almost at the top, and this next one is a serious contender for number 1. Taking the runner-up spot at number 2, iSpring DS4S Bottleless Water Dispenser. Hot, cold, and room temperature with 4-stage filtration. Built with precision and innovation, it's a powerhouse that professionals absolutely trust. Stay refreshed and enjoy clean, convenient hydration with the iSpring DS4S Bottleless Water Dispenser, offering hot, cold, and room temperature water straight from a reliable filtration system. Designed for homes and offices, this dispenser eliminates the need for heavy water bottles while providing consistently fresh-tasting water thanks to its 4-stage filtration process, which removes impurities and improves overall water quality. The easy-to-use controls allow you to select the perfect temperature for drinking, cooking, or making tea and coffee, while the sleek design fits seamlessly into any space. Pros include the bottleless setup that saves effort and reduces waste, a strong filtration system for safe drinking water, and the convenience of multiple temperature settings that suit all your daily needs. On the downside, installation requires connection to a water line, which may not suit everyone, and occasional filter replacements add to ongoing maintenance. The quiet operation ensures it does not disrupt your environment, and the durable construction promises long-lasting performance for both family and office use. Whether you need chilled water on a hot day, instant hot water for beverages, or refreshing room temperature water throughout the day, this dispenser provides a practical and reliable solution. Its modern look, combined with the safety and convenience of hot water child locks, makes it suitable for households with children or busy workplaces. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. And here it is, the moment you've been waiting for. The absolute best of the best. At number 1, Brio Self-Cleaning Bottom-Loading Water Cooler. Hot, cold, and cool water. This one redefines what performance really means. Unmatched build quality, user satisfaction, and a reputation that speaks louder than words. Stay hydrated effortlessly with the Brio Self-Cleaning Bottom-Loading Water Cooler, designed to deliver hot, cold, and cool water straight from a convenient, bottle-free setup. Perfect for homes and offices, this water cooler combines modern design with practical features that make daily hydration simple and safe. Its self-cleaning function ensures the water remains fresh and free from bacteria, while the bottom loading system eliminates the need to lift heavy water bottles, making it easy for anyone to refill. Pros include the hygienic self-cleaning technology, convenient bottom loading design, and multiple temperature options suitable for beverages, cooking, or refreshing cold water throughout the day. The water cooler also features a child safety lock for hot water, adding peace of mind for households with children. On the downside, the initial setup requires connection to a water line, which may not suit every space, and filter replacements are needed periodically to maintain optimal performance. Its quiet operation ensures it fits seamlessly into kitchens, offices, or common areas without disturbance, and the sleek design complements modern interiors. Whether you need instant hot water for tea or coffee, cold water for hydration, or cool water for everyday use, this dispenser offers reliability, convenience, and consistent performance. The combination of safety features, easy maintenance, and elegant design makes it a versatile addition for any environment. Click the link in the description box to learn more details. That's all from today's reviews. I hope this video helped you understand which option fits your needs best. To make things easier for you, I've added all the product links in the description box below, so you can check the latest price, detailed specifications, and grab the best deals available right now. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like, share it with friends who might benefit, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more honest product reviews. And if you have any questions, experiences, or suggestions, feel free to drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.